Welcome back. Having set up the app password, we are ready to write the core logic for our email client. This function will use SMTPLIB to handle the network session and email to structure the message, completing the SMTP process. 1. Imports and connection details. We import the necessary classes. We define the Gmail SMTP server and the TLS port 587. Note the variables for sender_email and app_password. You must replace these placeholder values with your own Gmail address and the 16-character app password you generated in the previous lecture. 2. The send email function. Our function takes the recipient, subject, and body. First, we format the message using MIME text. Second, we establish the connection using SMTPLIB.SMTP and immediately call start TLS parenthesis for security. Third, we authenticate using server.login parenthesis, passing the sender email and the app password. Finally, we use server.send email parenthesis, which takes the sender, recipient, and the message converted to a string using msg.as_string parenthesis. The with block ensures the server connection is closed when done. To summarize, we have consolidated all the email logic into one robust function. Our next lecture 27.12. Run Mail Client. See you there.